Today I am testing 3 soap make. I forgot what I was testing. Hi, it's time for another crafty video here on SoCraftastic. Today I am testing 3 soap making craft kits. Come on. It's been a minute since I've tested anything here craft kit related, but I recently put up a poll on the community tab and over on Instagram. You guys wanted to see me test soap over the other 2 things. The audience has spoken. I used to be obsessed with Survivor. The tribe has spoken. I'm going to be unboxing, testing, and comparing / reviewing these 3 kits, and I'm gonna tell you which one is the best in my opinion, and also how much they were, where I got them from. $21.99 US. Klutz soap making, make your own soap. This one actually has a book attached to it, so that's pretty cool. I see that they actually copied one of my projects. No, I'm just kidding. Well, actually, I'm not kidding. I actually did make this in the past. I have a tutorial. Corinne from Threadbanger also did the fish in a bag soap. It wasn't our idea. It was a Pinterest craft, but it still was on my channel, so this is pretty cool. We have the YOUniverse Rainbow Soap Kit. This one's very colorful, as you can see. It's got some glitter. I love their slogan on the side, where nerdy is cool. I mean, I don't think crafts are nerdy, but if they are, then so be it. I'm a big nerd. The 3rd kit is this one by Kiss Naturals, and this is glycerin soap, make your own. These all have such wonderful names. Make your own soap, very straightforward to the point. If you missed seeing craft kits and you want me to do more, give this video a thumbs up. Even before you watch it, that's cool. I just watched back this footage on my camera and realized that I have a ton of baby hairs sticking up, so I'm not gonna refilm that, but yeah, sorry for your luck today, having to see that. Let's go ahead and start with this craft kit. There is 1 plastic measuring cup, 2 mica base colors, there's pink and blue, 1 little mixing spoon, 2 natural fragrances, there's jasmine and tropical sunset, a 5.6 ounce bar of clear glycerin soap, 2 silicone molds with 4 different shapes in each. And this heating tray here. I really love that the plastic packaging is recyclable. I know English, okay. Moving on to the Klutz kit, we of course have the book, 20 blocks of clear soap base, along with 20 color tablets. I keep messing them up. These 40 things together are supposed to equal around 9 ounces of soap. And we have this little guy, which is some coconut papaya scent. There's also a soap mold with 6 different shapes and all these cool things. So we have 7 skin-safe soap stickers, say that 7 times fast. A clear bag for the fish, it's cellophane. The toy fish, of course. Some glitter, 2 paper boats, I don't know what those are for. Ribbon, a gift tag, and a gift box. And finally, we have to explore the YOUniverse. Okay, that's enough. But this has an instruction sheet, obviously, a poster, which I'll show you soon, and some holo. This was just to make the packaging look more cute and pretty, but you could use it for other crafts. Then there's 3 colors of soap dye, a rectangular soap mold, a heart-shaped soap mold, 1 stirring stick, hey! 2 packets of glitter, 1 white soap that is 2.5 ounces, and a giant clear soap that is 9.94 ounces, almost 10. That means that there's actually more soap in this kit than there is in the Klutz one, and I would not have guessed that. Just by looking at them, I thought that there was more here. Definitely an illusion. Whoa. Much fun facts. Wow. Let's see which one of these 3 is the best, shall we? I knew that would happen. I'm pretty excited that I get to test 3 different types of soap colorant. There's liquid versus solid versus powder. A bit of an overview, YOUniverse soap kit is actually the cheapest and has the most soap, but it doesn't have much of a project variety because there's only 2 molds. Kiss Naturals is the middle priced one. It has the best molds and it has 2 different scents, but it doesn't have a lot of color options and it has the least amount of soap. The Klutz kit is the most expensive by a few dollars, but there are so many projects included, although the mold is very flimsy, so which one will make the best soaps? Oh, no. Oh, poor guy. This one should be better. There we go. Oh, I'm so sorry, little guy. Oh, almost. Come on. There we go. Uploading schedule of 2020 is still to be determined, but if you never want to miss out on a new video here, please ring the bell to turn notifications on and also subscribe to join the family. Let me know in the comment section below which kit you think is the winner. Personally, I believe they all have their pros and cons. When it comes to quality, I'm going to choose Kiss Naturals as the highest quality soap making kit. The molds are going to last for a very long time, possibly forever. They're very easy to use, and the soap is the smoothest. It just seems like it's the best quality of ingredients, and they do say that it's supposed to be all natural, so I love that. The winner in terms of variety and fun and the most time of playability is definitely Klutz, hands down. The book is so colorful and interactive, and there's so many different projects to do. But the mold is pretty terrible in my opinion. It's very flimsy, as I mentioned. The same with the YOUniverse molds. Those are a little bit better than Klutz, but they're both pretty flimsy and probably will break over time. The YOUniverse set does have some good qualities. It has the most amount of soap. You probably can make 3 full bars. If you save all your leftovers, you'll have to use some of the clear for the hearts on the 3rd one, but if you just don't fill the molds completely to the top, I think you can make 3 out of this. It's the only one that has a full-sized bar, which is pretty cool, but I don't know. The Klutz one, I don't really like the color tablets because I feel like you're very limited. I wish that the Klutz one had its own measuring cup and stirring sticks and liquid or powder dye. So it's so hard to choose. I would probably say Kiss as my personal favorite, mainly because the molds, like I said, you can use again and again and get your own soap and keep creating with them. Hopefully you guys aren't annoyed with me that there isn't a clear-cut answer. It's honestly just based on your personal preference. You're not going to get a complete dud with any of these. I hope that you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I don't know how I feel about my hair hiding these pretty flowers. I'll pin it up like that. Maybe just one side. Oh, so pretty. We love flowers. Ah. What am I doing?